Okay, we're here with Jarvis Green today, and he's going to show you his army gun collection.
This is a zombie crossbow. This is my army guy helmet, which is new. This is my sword of doom. It's the machine gun that shoots 55 bullets or something. This is the pistol. Machine gun pistol, machine gun pistol, machine gun pistol, machine gun pistol. And that one also came as a thing, whatever it's called. Binoculars, knife, army guy phone, machine gun, bomber, shotgun, crossbow, pistol, sword of doom, missing. That's it, Daddy.
Now, what do you do with all these?
I just play around with all of these. Some I don't, but I just do army guy. Just do play around with these guns.
What do you shoot with them?
All kinds of dots.
Can you look at the camera, please? So, what do you shoot? Like bad guys?
Machine gun bullets and arrow bullets.
What do you shoot at?
Zombies and big army guys.
Now, where do you shoot at these guys at?
Down out back. They're in the trees and all kinds of stuff. And
yeah.
I get up in the tree house and my fort.
So you have a tree house?
Yeah.
Really?
And then I have a little fort that's really cool.
Would you like to show us? Maybe we should throw a coat on you and a hat and some shoes and run out back. Let's do it. Better take one of your zombie guns with you.
Yeah, maybe I should.
Here, how about this one?
No.
Which one are you going to use? That's your go-to gun? You got it? Okay, here, you want me to hold it for you? You want me to hold it while you get your jacket on? You got it?
This one makes noise.
You want to put your shoes on first?
Yeah,
I got your jacket, soldier. Let's go.
We're going to do a video of us shooting today, and it's going to be really fun. So, my dad's going to do something, do a video of me and my friend doing this, shooting each other, doing a video of us.
Hey, bud. Are they special shoes?
Not really, but
They look special. You're going to be running in circles, I think, with those on like that.
yeah, probably.
I guess they'll work all right like that. All right, here's your jacket. Yeah, I'll hold your gun. You get your jacket on.
This is the best thing ever.
Okay. There you go.
It's nice out.
Uh-oh. Sunshine's coming out. Hey, Dally Wally. Come on, Cole. We're making a video. All right, we're filming. You better keep rolling. Keep moving. Let's keep it out. Got me in the shin.
Up there, we go build a tree house and stuff. Like that, look at the machine gun. That's my tree house. Next foot is gonna be awesome.
So is this your fort?
Let's sit here. With my dad.
Wow. Well, go in there and show us around. Looks like you have it camouflaged. Hey, it looks like you have some more zombie guns in there.
Yeah.
This looks really neat how you made this. Can we come inside? What do you got here? You're sitting on a milk crate? That's custom. Oh yeah, and you got all kinds of sticks up there. And a cool roof. Some camouflage to hide behind for shooting bad guys. Show us the rest of your fort.
Well, there's my other machine gun thing. They're not my bike machine. I created my other machine gun because I left it by my grandma and grandpa. So maybe I could do one next time. We could do another video. Wait, because I'm up here.
You're a pretty good climber. You must practice.
Here's one of my other knives. It's one of my other knives. I have a bigger gun up here. I have my long shot up here.
What's your long shot?
It looks like this. This is my pterodactyl knife. I like this knife very good.
Oh wow. That sure is cool. And you got like a lookout tower up here where you can watch for bad guys all out around the backyard.
Yeah.
Oh man, what a great vantage point. You can really see, look, if any bad guys come from over there by the porta pot, you'll see them coming. No doubt about that. All right, how do you get out of here in a hurry? What do you do to get out of here in a hurry?
Well, I'll do a fire. I will show you down the side.
Can you show us? Show us how you go down the escape hatch.
Oh my God. Take my gun. I'll just lay down.
That looks like it's a little wet. Whoa! Man, that was fast. Is it safe for me to come down?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I've never gone down a sliding board escape hatch on video before.
I got you.
Hold on, I'm coming. My butt was stuck. All right, well that concludes our video, our first video of Jarvis's zombie guns and forts outside. Can you say goodbye?